In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Microsoft Project. Whether you're launching the app for the first time or opening an existing schedule, I'll walk you through it clearly so you can get going without any confusion. First, let's start the program. On Windows, click the Start menu and begin typing Project. In the search results, select Microsoft Project. That's the quickest way to find it if it isn't already pinned to your taskbar or desktop. If you don't see it in the results, it may not be installed on your device yet. In that case, you'll need to install it through your Microsoft 365 account or using the installer provided to you. Once installation is complete, repeat the same Start menu search to open the app. When Microsoft Project launches, you'll arrive at the main workspace. This is the home base where you can begin a new project or open one that already exists. You'll typically see options like creating a blank project or opening a file, along with a recent files list if you've used the app before. Don't worry if the layout looks busy at first glance. We're about to focus on the exact steps you need. Now, let's open an existing project file. In the upper left corner, click File, then choose Open. You'll be asked where the file is stored. If the project file is on your computer, pick this PC. If you need to look through folders manually, select Browse. A file window will appear, and you can navigate to the folder where your project is saved. Microsoft Project files use the .mpp extension, which stands for Microsoft Project Plan. Select the .mpp file you want and click Open. Depending on the size and complexity of the project, it might take a moment to load. Once it opens, you'll see your tasks, timelines, and views ready for review or editing. Here's a simple shortcut you might prefer. If Microsoft Project is installed and associated with .mpp files, you can usually just double-click a .mpp file directly from File Explorer, and it will open in Project automatically. This is a convenient option when you already know exactly where the file lives. That's all there is to it. Launch Microsoft Project from the Start menu, then open your existing .mpp file using File and Open, or by double-clicking the file in File Explorer. With your project now open, you're ready to get to work. If this walkthrough helped, feel free to replay any section while you follow along on your screen.